Hello, you guys. So today I thought I would do a soft-spoken ASMR video for your relaxation. And yes, I am still in my arm sling. I thought I would show you a new exclusive Lush bubble bar, and this is called Abracadabra, and it's called a reusable bubble stick, and it's reusable so you can use it more than once. You hold it underneath the water that's coming out of the bathtub faucet and let the water fall onto it, and it says to put it in the tub, but I don't put it in the tub. I just hold it underneath the water, and on the bottom, that's where the bubbles start forming. And when you have enough bubbles, you just take it out of the water stream and put it someplace that it can dry, like a soap dish or something like that, or wipe it off with a paper towel and let it dry, and then you can use it on another day for another bath. Now, this was made with bergamot and frankincense, so it has a fruity smell. And this one was made in the popular scent called Blackberry Balm. Lush sells 2 or 3 things called Sultana that have the same fragrance, and they also sell their blackberry bath bomb that looks like a purple blackberry, and it has the same scent. And it's made with bergamot and frankincense also. So today I'm going to take a bath, and I'm going to use Abracadabra, and we'll see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it's got some stars. They look like multicolored foil stars. Bar, and it's got some very light glitter in there as well. There's a purple star right in the middle.
rate this bubble bar a 4.5 out of 5. I love the fruity blackberry bomb smell, the sultana smell, and it makes a nice amount of bubbles, and I love the bubble bar itself before you use it. It's so cute. I wish there were a little bit more glitter in the water, and I wish the color was a little bit more dark, and I wish there were a little bit more bubbles. Some of the other bubble bars have a little bit more color and more bubbles, but I love this and I would buy this again.